Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can export your customers from Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in my admin dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and go into customers. As you can see, I absolutely don't have any customers here, so I'm just going to go ahead and quickly add some random customers. It doesn't really matter, so gmail.com, just add whatever you want, and then once the fields are added, then we should be able to do everything. Tags, I don't know, for example, special, just add the special tag, for example. Then customers agreed to receive marketing emails, and now this should be it. Let's just click save. As you can see, you need to select a taxes exemption. Probably, yeah, I'll just use collect tax, click save, and now we have one of our customers. So I'll go back to the customer page, and as you can see, I have just a list with one customer here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on export. And as you can see, you can click to export either the current page or all customers. I'll select all. Then you can include customer tags and customer meta fields if you want. And then if you want, you can select a file format for either Excel, numbers, or other spreadsheet programs, or you can export a plain CSV file for a default text editor. I'll select this for Excel, click export customers, and as you can see, it'll be emailed to your email address, which you're using for your account on Shopify. And that is basically all you need to do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.